Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to write an important or urgent message in Microsoft Teams. So let's say you want to write a message and you want the audience to know that, hey, this is very important. You want to put that big exclamation red mark beside the message so that they know this is super important. All you have to do is write the message. So I'm going to write, for example, this is important, right? So let's say that's my message. And if I want that to stand out with the exclamation red mark, all you have to do is look towards the lower right or towards the right of this message box, and you will find the plus. Click on the plus, and here you have set deliver options. Once you click on that, you have the option now to set as important. Not standard, but switch this from standard to important. And as you can see right away, it put above the message important. And so once you send this, these people will know that this message is important. And so that's it. You just need to go ahead and click enter on your keyboard or click this arrow towards the right. Let's call it that, the send icon, and it's going to send the message in the chat as important. And that's it. Very easy and very simple.